Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Desi food. We'll start by exploring the vibrant world of Desi cuisine, which offers an incredible array of flavors and cooking methods. Understanding the core principles, like using fresh ingredients and mastering essential spices, is key to creating delicious and authentic dishes. We'll cover everything from foundational spices to popular recipes, making your Desi cooking journey enjoyable and successful. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a hub of aromatic delights. Let's dive into the heart of Desi cooking, its incredible spices. Cumin, both whole and ground, brings a warm, earthy depth. Coriander powder adds a lovely citrusy sweetness, while turmeric provides that signature golden hue and a subtle peppery kick. Don't forget garam masala, a fragrant blend often added at the end to elevate the aroma. These spices, along with fresh ginger and garlic, form the aromatic foundation of countless delicious Desi meals. Mastering a few core techniques will elevate your Desi cooking. Tempering, known as tadka, involves frying whole spices in hot oil to release their aromas, often as a finishing touch. Building a rich base by sautéing onions, ginger, and garlic paste is fundamental for many gravies. Slow simmering allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. For dishes like dal or meat, pressure cooking can significantly reduce your cooking time, making it much more efficient. Now, let's explore some beloved Desi dishes you can create. Dal, a hearty lentil stew, is a staple, offering both comfort and nutrition. Chicken curry, with its tender pieces of chicken bathed in a rich, spiced gravy, is always a crowd pleaser. For a truly special meal, try biryani, a fragrant rice dish layered with succulent meat or vegetables. And of course, no Desi meal is complete without soft, fluffy naan bread, perfect for scooping up all those delicious flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.